Hello everyone. So this is a part 4. Part number 4. So series of the tutorial basic Eskrima-Kali-Arnis Bagging. Okay? On how to strike as fast as you can and as hard as you can, as strong as you can, quick, multiple, and hard. Okay? Strike hard, strike fast, right? See? Now the fourth part is we call it abanico. Abanico meaning fun strike. Fun strike. Fun. Alright? So we'll do 7 counts. So let's say 1. So from first, fighting stance, okay? Fighting stance or forward stance or on guard position. Garutihan is chest level, see? Chest level. Right? So from here, you will do a backhand first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a abanico, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, slow motion. 1. So that's a backhand, right? Backhand 1, forehand, backhand again, forehand again. That's 4, right? Then you will do a sidewinder strike. Then diagonal, and then sidewinder. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So abanico with a sidewinder strike. Again, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, abanico. Okay, abanico. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's gotta be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So abanico, right? So from here, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Abanico. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's abanico, right? Of course, abanico with sidewinder. Eventually, it will be having a sidewinder to have a follow it up again. Alright? It's not gonna be forever like. No. It doesn't make sense. So for you to have a follow it up, you have to do a sidewinder after you strike your abanico. So from your abanico, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a sidewinder. See you in the next bagging for part 5.